Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Kinetico Water Softener. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this water softener is worth it. Kinetico Water Softener Overview. Kinetico water softeners use non-electric technology, ensuring that you still use your water softener even when there's no electricity around your house. This water softener company offers 3 softener types: the Signature Series, the Essential Series, and the Premium Series, giving you a wide option to choose the water softener type that perfectly fits your home. The Kinetico Water Softener is also only powered by moving water and uses evaporated salt, which is affordable. This water softener also has a system that allows the softener to regenerate only where it has been demanded, making it easier to switch to hard water if you want to use it. What we liked: the system is powered by water, not electricity, making it easier to use during a power outage. It has 3 different softener types, giving a wide diversity. Very durable and long-lasting. What we didn't like: you cannot buy the Kinetico water softener directly from the company. Features. Design. Kinetico water softener is designed not to need electricity to pump. This water softener system is salt-based and is only powered using the energy of moving water. With this technology, you don't need to worry if you experience a power outage, as it will continue working perfectly. Diversity. The Kinetico water softener is diversified because it offers 3 water softeners and water drinking filtration systems that every person can afford. Each water softener type delivers the actual performance it should, giving you the advantage of purchasing only the type that suits you. Low maintenance and long durability. The Kinetico water softener is very low maintenance, as it only requires you to add in new salt after a certain period for it to continue working perfectly. This water softener system is also durable, lasting up to 10 or 15 years. Who is Kinetico water softener best suited for? Kinetico water softener is suited for anyone who lives around where the water source is hard and needs to soften it. It's also best suited for anyone who cannot access electricity but needs a water softener system. Verdict: should you get the Kinetico water softener? You should get the Kinetico water softener if the water produced in your residential area is hard and needs to be softened. You could also consider buying the Kinetico water softener if you need a low-maintenance, long-lasting system. Thanks for watching.